A very good morning, student. I am Anshul Sharma, your biology teacher, and in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the contraceptive methods. As we have discussed, the population explosion is a very serious problem for our country, and if it is not tackled, then it will create threat on the economic growth and some other kind of developmental process of India. So that is why population growth को population explosion को control करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and these contraceptive methods are very crucial in controlling our population size, our human population size, because with the help of these contraceptive methods a fertile couple can prevent the unwanted pregnancy, and these are also helpful to reduce the size of family, that also enables them to have a smaller families. The contraceptive methods that can be used by a fertile couple, they can be divided into 6 categories depending upon the principle on which they are working. The first category is the natural and traditional contraceptive methods, which works on the natural phenomena. We will use the basic knowledge of the menstrual cycle, and then we can avoid the unwanted pregnancy. The second is the barrier methods. They prevent the physical meeting between the sperm and ova. The IUDs, they are the intrauterine devices that are implanted inside the uterus and make uterus less hospitable to the sperms. यूट्रस की कंडीशंस को ऐसा कर देते हैं कि स्पर्म्स उसमें सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाते हैं. The oral contraceptives, they are very famous. They are the pills that can be used by a female. They are the pills made up of hormones, and those hormones can alter the events in the menstrual cycle, and that prevent the female from conceiving a pregnancy. Injectable and implants, they are again the smaller needle like structures that are implanted inside the skin, and they release the hormone in very small quantity in the blood, and that change the menstrual events. And last is the surgical methods. These are the permanent contraceptive methods that include vasectomy, in which the vas differences are cutted and tied, and tubectomy, in which the female's fallopian tubes are cutted and tied. In this video tutorial, we will discuss in detail the natural and traditional method and the barrier methods. The first category is the natural contraceptive methods. As we know, for the successful coitus or for the successful fertilization, it is essential that the sperm and ova are synchronizingly released in the reproductive tract of female. अगर sperm और ova एक साथ reproductive tract में release नहीं होंगे तो there will be no fertilization and there will be no pregnancy. So natural methods works on a principle to avoid the chances of meeting of sperm. हम इस तरीके के नॉलेज को यूज़ करते हैं कि हम एग और स्पर्म को एक टाइम पे रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक में आने से ही रोकते हैं. द फर्स्ट मैटर इज द पीरियोडिक एब्स्टिटेंस. दिस मेथड वर्क्स ऑन द बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल. जितना हमने मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के बारे में पढ़ा है, हमें पता है कि एट द 14th डे ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल द ओव्यूलेशन टेक्स प्लेस एवरेजली. दैट मीन्स द टाइम पीरियड बिटवीन द 10th to 17th day of the menstrual cycle is the time period when the egg can be present in the reproductive tract of the female, because the 14th day एक बिल्कुल टाइम बाउंडेड लिमिट नहीं है. उससे 3 दिन पहले भी हो सकता है, उसके 3 दिन बाद भी हो सकता है. दैट मीन्स 10 दिन से लेके 17वें दिन तक मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल के वो टाइम पीरियड है जिस दौरान फीमेल के रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक में एग हो सकता है. सो इफ द कपल प्रिवेंट और अवॉइड द मीटिंग the coitus between this time, during this time period, they can avoid the pregnancy also. So this is the most fertile period during which the chances of fertilization is highest, and that is why if they avoid the coitus between this time period, so they can avoid the pregnancy also, and this method is known as periodic abstinence. The next natural method is the withdrawal or coitus interruptus. In this method, the male will withdraw his penis from the female's vagina just before the ejaculation. By doing this, the semen or the sperms are not discharged into the vagina of female, and that is why this method again prevents the meeting between the sperm and egg. Again you can see we are avoiding the chances of meeting of sperm and egg. So this method works to prevent the insemination in the female's reproductive tract. The last natural method that can be used to prevent the pregnancy is the lactation amenorrhea. The lactation amenorrhea word is made up of two words. Lactation, it means the time period during which the female is feeding the child on her milk, and amenorrhea is a physiological state that represents the absence of menstrual flow. So during the lactation period, the hormone that is known as prolactin, the level of hormone prolactin and oxytocin is very high in the female's blood, and these two hormones prevent the menstrual events during the lactation. So if a female is फीडिंग द चाइल्ड ऑन हर मिल्क, अगर लैक्टेशन कर रही है, फीमेल बच्चे को दूध पिला रही है, तो उस दौरान हार्मोन्स लेवल चेंज होने की वजह से मेंस्ट्रुएशन नहीं होता, एंड अगर मेंस्ट्रुएशन नहीं होता तो ये माना जाता है कि इस दौरान ओव्यूलेशन भी नहीं होगा, एंड इस दौरान किया जाने वाला कोइटियस या मीटिंग की वजह से फर्टिलाइजेशन नहीं होगा. इफ़ द स्पर्म्स आर रिलीज्ड ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ लैक्टेशन, इट इज़ सपोज्ड कि इस समय रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक में ओवा नहीं होगा, एंड दैट इज़ वाई फर्टिलाइजेशन के चांसेस भी नहीं है. बट this method is only work for 6th month. प्रेगनेंसी पार्चुरेशन के बाद के जो पहले 6 महीने जिस दौरान फीमेल एक्सटेंसिवली बच्चे को दूध पिला रही है, दैट मीन्स बच्चा केवल दूध के ऊपर निर्भर है, केवल उसी दौरान ये मेथड काम करता है. आफ्टर दैट टाइम पीरियड दिस मेथड विल नॉट वर्क. Natural methods have some benefits and some harms also, because in these methods there is no chemical used, there is no pills are used, no hormonal therapy is there. That is why the chances of side effect are nil in these methods. But on the other hand, because these methods works on the basic knowledge of female's reproductive tract and the reproduction in humans, that is why the chances of success of these methods are also low. बिकॉज ज़रूरी नहीं है कुछ हार्मोनल चेंजेस की, इससे 10 दिन से पहले भी ओव्यूलेशन हो सकता है, 17 दिन के बाद भी ओव्यूलेशन हो सकता है. मीटिंग के दौरान विड्रॉल प्रॉपरली हो पाए ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. एंड सिमिलरली हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि पहले 6 महीने में अगर मेंस्ट्रुएशन नहीं हो रहा है तो ओव्यूलेशन भी नहीं होगा, बट ड्यू टू द चेंज इन हार्मोनल लेवल, हाई लेवल ऑफ हार्मोन, ओव्यूलेशन में टेक प्लेस. सो चांसेस ऑफ फेलियर ऑफ these methods are also high. The next category of the contraceptive methods are the barrier methods. The barrier method works on the principle to prevent the meeting between the sperm and ova. That means sperms are released, insemination will take place, but they prevent the entry. They will act as a physical barrier between the egg and the sperm and prevent their meeting and avoid their meeting. So first barrier method is the condoms. Condoms are the barriers that are available for male and female both. They are made up of rubber or latex that covers the penis or either the cervix of the female. In the female reproductive tract, this is the uterus, this is the uterine cervix, and this region is the vagina. So condoms are used to prevent the entry of this cervix, and if the sperms are released into the vagina, they fails to enter into the uterus and into the fallopian tube and succeed in the fertilization. Similarly, in the case of male, the condom cover the penis and prevent the release of semen into the female reproductive tract during the mating. The both male and female condoms are disposable, that means they can be easily disposed. The another benefit of the using of condoms, because if you cover your penis and if you cover the uterine cervix, in these two conditions, the genital fluid of female and genital fluid of male, that is the vaginal smear of female and semen plasma of the male, will not come into the contact of each other, and this is why the condoms also helps to prevent the transmission of STD like AIDS, sexually transmitted diseases. Because the sexually transmitted disease only transmit when the semen plasma of male and female's vaginal smears comes into the contact of each other. The next category of the barrier methods are the diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults. These all are used in the female to cover the cervix during the coitus, and that is why if they cover the cervix, then they prevents the entry of sperm into the uterus. The difference between these and the condoms are disposable, but diaphragm, cervical caps and vaults are reusable. They can be reused. And if we use the spermicidal creams, spermicidal sperm means spermatozoan site means to kill. That means the creams that can have, they are having the chemical to kill the sperm. The jellies and the foams, that means the jellies and foams and creams that have the capacity to kill the sperm. If we apply the spermicidal creams, jellies and foams with these cervical caps, vaults and diaphragm, their efficiency और you can say इनकी कंट्रासेप्शन करने की, प्रेगनेंसी को रोकने की एफिशिएंसी और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. We will discuss about the further contraceptive method in the next video.